This is Masechet Pesachim, the 10th Perek, the final Perek of Masechet Pesachim, and whereas the first 9 Prakim deal with really the laws that relate to before Pesach in terms of getting rid of chametz, preparing the matzah, and the Korban Pesach, the 10th Perek turns, as it's titled, to the night of the Seder, the first night of Pesach, and begins by saying, Arvei Pesachim Samach L'Mincha, Lo Yochal Adam Ad Shetechshach, that the day before Pesach, on Erev Pesach, when it's close to Mincha time, a person should not eat at all until it gets dark, because we want to enter into the Seder with an appetite so that we can eat all the foods of the Seder while we have an appetite. V'afilu ani sheb'Yisrael lo yochal ad sheyesev. And as we eat at the Seder in the reclining position to express our feeling of freedom, we have to recline. This is even a poor person who is Jewish has to recline, because we're relating not to our situation today, but the historic freedom that we all experienced as we left Mitzrayim. V'lo yifchasu lo me'arba kosel shel yayin, and he should have all 4 cups of wine, v'afilu min hatamchoy, and even if he is eating his food as supported by the tzedakah, he still has to have the 4 cups of wine, and the community needs to provide 4 cups of wine for every person who needs it. The Mishnah that continues, Mazgu lo kos rishon, that we pour the first cup. Beis Shammai omer mevarech al hayom v'achar kach mevarech al hayayin. Beis Shammai says that we first make the bracha on the day, the bracha of Asher Bachar Banu, which culminates with Baruch Atah Hashem Mekadesh Yisrael v'Hazmanim, and then we say the Borei Pri Hagafen. Ubeis Hillel omer mevarech al hayayin v'achar kach mevarech al hayom. And Beis Hillel says that the first thing is the Borei Pri Hagafen, and then is the bracha about the day of Pesach. This Mishnah refers not only to Pesach, but every Shabbos and Yom Tov, in terms of the order of the Kiddush. Then we continue with Mishnah Gimel, going in the order of the Seder. Heviu lefanav metabel b'chazeres ad shemagia leparperes apas. So we bring a dip of a vegetable, aside from the vegetable of the maror, which is eaten with the matzah and the Korban Pesach. We eat a vegetable earlier, which we call karpas. But the Mishnah relates to a case in particular where a person does not have any vegetable other than maror, and he's using the chazeres, which is maror, for both karpas as well as the maror. Hiviu lefanav matzah v'chazeres v'charosas u'shnei tavshilin, and then we bring matzah, and chazeres is the maror, and charosas, and 2 cooked foods. Afal pi she'ein charosas mitzvah, even though charosas is not an actual mitzvah, it's still brought as part of the Seder. Rabbi Elazar Rabbi Tzadok omer mitzvah. Here we have a debate, and Rabbi Elazar Rabbi Tzadok thinks that it is a mitzvah to have the charosas. Uv'mikdash hayimeviyim lefanav gufo shel Pesach, and at this point in the time of the Beis HaMikdash, we also bring the Korban Pesach itself to be eaten later on.